Hi guys, this is me Ayush and welcome back to my YouTube channel Insinuating Ayush.
Subscribe to YouTube channel Insinuating Ayush and press the bell icon to get further notifications for the latest updates of the videos. So let's take a quick view to all the materials needed to make this foosball game.
So first we'll start by taking a shoe box. You can take any of the waste shoe box. The next we'll be taking a scissor or a cutter, pencil or marker, Fevicol, scale, black acrylic color. Here I'm taking black fabric color, a piece of cardboard, few colored glaze paper. Here I'm taking green and red. Last but not the least, newspaper.
So this is to tell you that we are about to start.
So here I'm starting by taking an old shoe box. So what you simply need to do is that you need to take two colored glaze paper. So I'm taking green and red. So green I'll be pasting it inside, in the middle and on the inner walls, and red on the outer walls. So here is something I have pasted the green paper inside and red paper outside. So this is the way you also need to do this. So now I'm making the outlet like holes for ball to come out, because we'll play with the ball. So this is an outlet for the ball to come out. So I made, you can see the length I have mentioned. So now I've started cutting it. Sorry guys, it was not so appropriate, but I made it appropriate by pasting the papers on the sides to make it look more sharp and clean. Here I'll suggest you that before pasting the paper you can cut this, because the paper will get destroyed and you need to again paste the papers. So now I'm taking one sheet of paper and I'm dividing into half. I've divided it twice. So taking one of them, what I'm just gonna do is that I'm gonna roll it to make a stick of paper. So here's some tip I will share you. The point from where you will fold the stick, you need to place little bit of the Fevicol, so that it will help you to fold the stick little bit more faster as well as good. So here's my Instagram ID where you can DM me for any query related to my videos. So here I had made one stick. So now I have divided one stick into two of them. So now I'm placing both the stick accordingly and in the middle. So now taking the black acrylic color, what I'm simply doing is that I'm gonna color both the sticks. So here I've colored both of them. So now I need to adjust that stick. You need to adjust the stick accordingly and in the most middle. So taking the marker, I'm just gonna draw, like I'm gonna mark this. So bringing one of the mark down, I started laying all the marks down. So here you can see this is approx 5 centimeter. I have marked it. You need to make it in the most middle. So here you can see I have mentioned the length also. So now with the help of the pencil you can make a hole, or you can take any of the big object. So now it won't getting inside, the stick wasn't getting inside, so I made little bit more big hole. So here you can see it has gotten easily inside. So now doing the same process of the hole, I have placed the stick. So now these are the two images I have shared that you can make. So one of the image was of the boy and second one of like design that you can paste on the wall to make your foosball game look more attractive. So here I have cut it two of the boys out of one. So now taking a black marker, I'm just gonna outline as well as I'm gonna make some of the details into it. So with the help of the cardboard, I'm taking a piece of the cardboard, and with the help of the Fevicol, I'm just trying to paste it out. So here you can see I'm pasting it with the help of the Fevicol. So I have pasted one of it. So here I have pasted both of them. So now I'm gonna cut it with the help of the scissor. So here is the way you need to cut it out. So I have cut it two of them. So now I'm make it get stick. So here I'm gonna share you the tip one, that you should not have to make the legs touched on the ground. You need to stick both of the balls little bit higher to the ground. So here you can see this is the way I pasted. So now this was the design that I shown you. I've shared the picture. So this is I have made already beforehand. So now applying the Fevicol at the back, I'm just gonna make it stick to one of the wall on one of the side. You can choose any of the side you want, and you can stick it to make your game look a little bit more attractive. So here is the completed look. So this is all 4 sides of my football game. So here is the look from inside. So here you go, and keep enjoying the game. This is for today. If you like the video, then do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for the latest updates of the videos, like my videos, share my videos with your friends and with your families, and share your feelings about this video in the comment section. So guys, I know that it is a very high time where you need to take so much of the precautions, and you need to take so much of the care of yourself as well as of your families. Hence I'll pray to God that you all will stay fine and stay safe. Till then, bye bye guys.